Hi everyone, this is Vicky. See this UV light? It's solar panel's biggest enemy out in the open air. This is SONACME-Tower type UV aging tester chamber, equipped with 8 40-watt fluorescent UV lamps to replicate the most damaging UV spectrum in the sunlight. The irradiance can be precisely adjusted from 0.3 W square meter to 1.85 W square meters. Follows comply with international standards IEC 61390, ISO 48923, and ASTM G154. It comes with 24 sample holders that can hold up to 48 tester samples in one batch. The condensation system simulates outdoor dew, while the spring function recreates rainfall conditions, with a maximum black panel temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Each lamp lasts 6,000 hours, delivering stable performance during long-duration aging tests. This machine accelerates durability verification for all UV-sensitive materials, such as PV backsheets, EVA films, and automotive lamp housings. At SONACME, we got the first durability checkpoint for new energy materials. Follow us to learn more tester solutions.